Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna read you a nice storybook called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems and Elephant and Piggyback. Achoo, achoo! Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want... Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye. Gerald? Huh? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Great news! I have a cold! Good for you. See that, Piggy? She got a cold because of Gerald. Alpha Gerald. Okay, can you spot the pigeon anywhere? Oh, there's a pigeon. He looks a bit different from Piggy because one thing, he has an ice pack on his head. That is what Piggy has, but he doesn't have a temperature on his beak. He doesn't have a stuffed animal. Okay, let me read this to you. Elephant and Piggy have more funny adventures, and today I will fly. My friend is sad. I am invited to a party and more Elephant and Piggy features.